Tuesday, March 15th, 2012. We're over at Santa Ana River Lake, back in Chris's Pond, and the Mount Lassen Trout Farm truck. Huge semi, 18-wheeler, and it's lightning trout. Those rare exotic beauties are here, and they're going in right now. And don't forget, we got the Lip Rippers Takeover Tournament Trail this Saturday, March 17th.
All right, guys, we're over here at Chris's Pond, loading up a tank. Check out these lightning beauties. Here they go, guys. Woo!
Ooh, lightning trout. First and only stocking this season. There they go. Nice size one, too. Lightning. Those are some beautiful fish. Beautiful. Beautiful. Chris's Pond getting the first stocking. Oh man, there's a group of them.
Yeah! Lightning trout, only stocking this year, guys. Limited number. Now we're talking. Yeah, sweet meat, just like salmon, guys. Delicious tasting.
Oh, that's a nice one. Guys, we're over here at the big lake right by the boat dock. There's the Mount Lassen Trout Farm truck. We're getting into position so we can stock more of those beautiful, exotic, rare lightning trout. And don't forget, we got super trout, 20 plus pound, huge monster trout. And next week, double digit tail walkers. This is a month of fishing you do not want to miss.
Yeah, look at these guys. Looking like Cheetos in the water.
Alright guys, we got that second tank hooked up here right by the big lake, right by the boat dock. They're going in, lightning trout.
Alright guys, over by the big lake, dropping a huge tank of these lightning trout. Looking like Cheetos in the water. There they go, guys. Come and get them. Only stocking this year, guys.
Lightning trout. Whoa! Super trout. First and only stocking this season of lightning trout. They're going in. And there's a lot of them, as you can see. Oh my goodness, look at all those lightning trout!
Limited number, but we got them all. Look at them, look at them. Whoa! Yeah!
Yeah, baby, welcome to the Big Lake Santa Ana River Lake style. Oh, getting the broom, getting the broom. Oh, look at those beautiful lightning trout. Oh man, you can see them in the water. That is so cool.
Supertrout! Supertrout! Supertrout!
Oh! Look at that guy! Yes! Almost jumped out of the slide! Oh my gosh! Oh, wow, that thing almost jumped right out of the slide. Alright guys, tank number 3 hooked up. Alright, here they go. They're going to start trickling out here. Right into the big leg. There we go. Oh, lightning trout, lightning trout, lightning trout. Oh. Yeah. Pink meat. Almost like salmon. Oh, that's a big lightning trout.
Here they go. Hard fight, exotic, rare, lightning trout. Mixed in with those beautiful Sierrabows beauties. Here they go, guys. There they go. Only stocking this year. Don't miss out. We got trophy tailwalkers coming in next week, guys.
Alright guys, we're over at Corona Lake now, right by the courtesy dock where we normally stock every week. Lightning trout, Sierrabows, and super trout. Alright guys, we got the first tank hooked up.
Alright guys, over here at Corona Lake, hooking up the first tank of these rare exotic lightning trout. Lightning trout! Lightning trout! Yeah, baby! There they go! Oh, mama! Yeah!
Alright, first and only stocking of lightning trout here at Corona Lake. Don't miss out on these rare, exotic, beautiful pink meat. Lightning trout, Sierrabows. Oh! Yeah, baby. Welcome 2012 lightning trout. Oh, man, there they go, there they go. That is a lot of lightning trout. Yeah, baby. Ah.
Woo! Dog! All kinds of lightning trout in this tank. Yeah!
Keep them coming. Alright guys, we're hooking up that second tank right now.
Another tank hooked up. Lightning trout. Alright guys, here we go. Dropping a tank. Lightning trout. Woo! It's a big one right there, guys. That's a big boy.
There they go, second tank. Oh, they're already making their way. They're ready to go. Beautiful seeing those lightning trout in there. Man, sure pretty. Sure pretty.
fishing.
That's a nice one. Alright guys, we just hooked up that third tank.
Alright guys, look, hooked up the third tank over here at Corona Lake, guys. Third tank of these exotic, rare lightning trout. Whoa!
There they go, tank 3. There they go, beautiful exotic lightning trout. Very, very rare, hard to get. Excellent tasting fish.
Supertrout! Supertrout! He's right here. He's coming out soon.
Oh! That was freaking beautiful. Holy, that was
Supertrout! Here he comes! Here he comes! There he goes!
two. Oh! Ho, ho! Those were beautiful super trout. Wow. I'm not sure I've seen a prettier super trout than those pair.